Go.
Hi, today we're going to be making beach in a bottle. And you have seen this in our calm down corner. I made one in a little bottle like this. So for the beach in the bottle, you are going to need some kind of bottle. I have some different ones here. I've got the tiny one. I've got a regular size. These are my favorite kind. They are Voss. And I'm going to probably make mine in this one today. So the first thing you're going to need to do is get rid of half of your water. So you can drink it. You can pour it somewhere. I'm going to do a little bit of both.
That's what's out.
It's important to drink lots and lots of water over the summer because your body needs it to stay healthy. So the next part is adding food coloring. So I like to do blue because I am doing a beach in a bottle, but you can really do any color that you want. So I'm going to put some blue in there, and we're going to do something else with this one. I'm going to go ahead and add some red to this one. But I might add some more later. The next step for the beach in the bottle is you're going to need to add some cooking oil. So this is a good step to have your grown-up help you with. It works really good if you have a funnel, but if you don't have a funnel, you can have a grown-up carefully pour it for you. And I'm going to use quite a lot of this oil. This is why a smaller water bottle might be a better idea. After this step for your beach in a bottle, you can add other things as well. Sometimes I like to add glitter or sequins or other things. And then the last step is to put the lid on tightly. And you can see how it separates. Now, I love this bottle, but I would probably take the labels off. And you can see how I can make some waves. I can also shake it up and get it to mix up as much as I want. And we're going to set this down for a minute, and you're going to see it's going to separate again, and I'm going to still have my beach in a bottle. So this is another fun thing that you can do. So you know I put some of my water in here, and now I'm going to put some oil in this. Now I'm keeping this one as an open top one because a fun thing you can do is you can add some Alka-Seltzer, or this is an effervescent. It's basically like a little bit of medicine for your tummy if your tummy's not feeling good, and it fizzes up. And it's really fun because if you put the water in the bottom and you put some oil in the top, and I'm actually going to even add more food coloring all through the oil. Go up closer to this one. Now, when we add Alka-Seltzer, watch what happens. I'm going to actually break it into bits. And then once it hits the water, it's going to start bubbling. And when it starts bubbling, we're going to see, I'm going to keep adding actually some more food coloring because it starts getting really cool. And you can add other colors too. I'm going to actually even add some more. Now, notice I didn't do this with my bottle because I don't want it to be shut. There is gas being released, so that gas needs to go somewhere, and I don't want to make a bottle explosion. So I like to do this in an open one, and you can add other colors too. Let's see if it mixes and makes purple. Oh, it's making something. That's pretty cool.
Pretty sure it's purple. Just a really
So
dark purple.
have some fun. Try this at home. I bet that you have water at home. I bet that you have oil at home. Maybe you have food coloring, maybe you have some Alka-Seltzer, maybe you can go get it from the store. You can also see how my beach in the bottle that I made before is separating. I love to watch it go back and forth, and I really like to also shake it up. And if you want to, you can also even put like a flashlight under here, and it makes it look kind of like a lava lamp. So I hope that you have fun making some beach in the bottle at home.